What if I told you the sun could slash your energy bills by over 65% and add $13,000 to your property value? Sounds crazy, right? I am Pablo Henrique, a solar powered broker helping homeowners cut energy costs and boost profitability. Backed by green home systems, trusted by more than 11,000 happy customers. So let's break it down. How solar works? Simple and powerful. So let's say you've installed solar panels, then there is the sunlight that go to solar panels, and then you're gonna have an inverter to convert energy so you could use in your home electrical system. And that's basically it. And now there is one variable, and that is if battery storage available. In the majority of homeowners who have solar power, normally they don't use because they are on grid, and later on I'm gonna explain why the benefits of stay on grid even with solar panels. So those who normally don't have battery storage, they normally don't have the on-grid option, so they are off-grid. So if they don't have battery storage available, they just can use directly, and that's it. Very simple. If they have, then they gonna charge the battery because the excessive amount of energy that your solar panel is gonna generate gonna go to the battery. So if you are on grid as well, and by some situation your on grid stop working for some time, you're gonna still have energy because you have your batteries in this case. But as I said, batteries normally they are not that common. Normally they don't use as much too. Solar panel, sunlight converted into electricity. That's a very simple concept because that's a clean energy from the sun power your home day and night. It's very simple. Because how it works, when you, let's say it's night and you are sleeping, then you are not consuming energy, so like not producing, so nothing's happening. But let's say you're, that's daytime and you are in your house. You basically is consuming energy, and your energy is coming from the solar panels. And if you're generating more energy than you are consuming, then the extra energy, if you don't have a battery, then this extra energy gonna go to the grid for them to use, and they're gonna give you back credits. And by doing that, when they're gonna lower your bill from the grid because you are providing them more energy than you are consuming. So there's the difference gonna go up and down, and they're gonna give credits for you for energy, extra energy you are giving to them, and as a reward. And in some situation, in if you need more energy than your solar panels produce, which is very rare, then they're gonna give your bill much gonna give you a lower bill because you provide them with more energy than you are consuming. And that's a good situation to be in. And solar panels are like a plant, turning sunlight into food, but in this case for energy. That's a natural process meaning for your home. So basically, every day since you installed solar panels, you're gonna be giving this the sunlight's gonna go to the solar panels. It's gonna transform it into energy for you. That's an autopilot. You don't have to think about it. That's all. Very, very simple. Step two. The number one reason people switch is to lower energy bills. Basically, you stop overpaying, cuts your bills by 65% or more. Because when you are on grid, there's the inflation problem that's basically your bills gonna keep increasing over month after month after month because you don't have solar power. And normally they don't use renewable energy, so they are more expensive, and they are gonna keep going up and up and up. But when you transition to solar energy, from day one, your bills gonna basically be just a fixed solar payments. You're gonna delete your on-grid bill forever, and basically your payment's gonna be fixed payments compared to the grid that's gonna keep increasing in price. So it basically means you can save more and more and more. And with green home systems, the average homeowner, they have 11,000 happy customers, so they save on average 65% or more, which is something around $18,000 over the lifetime of the solar power system, which is a lot of money that they don't have to keep paying over and over for the grid connection. In this example, most homeowners save 65% on energy costs. There are those two, Alex and Fatima. They've decided to go solar. And let's see here. They save thousands every year with solar. So as you can see in this graphic, before they decided to go solar, their bills were 13,000, $350,000. Every month they're paying something around $3,050,000. And after they decide to go solar, they get the benefits of 1 year no payments for solar for energy. So from literally 1 year you should have to pay for energy. That's no brainer offer. And after that, they have a bill of $25 every month, around $25, month 30, month 14, month 15, and they're gonna keep doing staying this price range for decades basically, and that's the difference as you can see from $350,000 every month to $25 every month. That's crazy, right? Look how you can see the video as well in my website to you have more in-depth analysis. But look at that, $350 to $25 every month. That's very cool. And so what happens? The excess energy go back to the grid, and by doing that, your bill is gonna be lower. It's also known as net metering. That's basically you get, as I've said a little before, you get prices for unused energy. You will pay less each month. So your house connected to power grid and savings. So as I've said, your extra energy generated by your solar panels gonna go to the grid. Then they're gonna use this for other homeowners, and they're gonna reward you with credits that gonna your bill is gonna always be lower because you're generating more than you are consuming. So that's very cool as well. It's a win-win for the grid, for the homeowner, for the installers of the solar panel. It's a win-win for everyone. Three, not just savings, it's what your home's worth. Solar isn't inexpensive, it's an investment, and I'm gonna show you why and how it works exactly. Solar adds between $15,000 to $13,000 to your home value. It increases your property value and market appeal. So for anyone who's gonna look at your home, if they're gonna see the solar panels on top on the roof, they're gonna think, oh, I'm not gonna have to pay more and more in bills. They're gonna keep increasing price because of inflation. I'm not gonna have this problem because they have solar panels. This is one way to increase your property value because just by looking to the home. And then also there is the visual aspect as well because they look very cool. And that's a very good benefits for. So, four, why waiting costs you money? How it works? Why every month you're gonna be losing money over and over again by don't have solar? Because energy prices are rising, and because of the inflation, the price for energy on grid gonna increase month after month after month, as you saw in your energy bills. And solar protects you. It just deletes this problem, inflationary problem, from the price. You own your own energy, and this changes everything. So I brought you a graphic here, and as you can see, solar, the costs are one of the lowest. As you can see, it's between $29 to $92, and it's the price without subsidies. And what are subsidies? Basically, this is the government incentives. And if you use solar subsidies, that's your price needs to be something around 600, 650 or more. You can use these benefits, and it's gonna be just $6, which basically nothing. And if you compare here to if we start for those who don't have the option to be on grid as well, it's with subsidies are just $38. It's very low compared to the coal that's 690 to 168 dollars, or gas between 110 to $228. So that's very affordable and very very good. So, and going deeper on that, you can see here the numbers more precisely. If subsidies that are government incentives and without subsidies, without government incentives. And you can see here on solar, it's $6 with subsidies and $29 without subsidies. And the maximum is $92. So basically, $6. You're how much you can see your energy bills right now and see how much are you paying every month. You can literally have this benefit with subsidies and $6 basically. That's so low compared to even to the If you are off grid, don't have the grid option, it will be with storage, $38 with subsidies with government incentives. Compared to the geothermal, it's $43, even with subsidies. Or the offshore wind, $71. That's so as you can see, solar is very affordable. Only $6 with subsidies. That's very, very good. And how it works, it's a zero upfront cost program available right now. If you switch to solar today without a big investment, that's zero down for 1 year with green home systems. And every day you wait, you are leaving money on the table. And you can act now in, to lock your savings. Because as I show you, it's the best you can with me only $6 with PV. And that's very, very low. And you can protect yourself from rising costs starting today because with solar power you are safe and you don't have to worry about inflation. And with your home system, they have more than 11,000 happy customers. And you can use these benefits as well simply by going to my website, pablohenriques.com, and you can schedule a consultation and see how it could work for you. And I see you in the next video. And if you want to learn more about how solar can transform your finance and home, then keep watching and click the video on your screen now. And don't miss out, and I see you in the next video.